Mawkyrwat.
The Office of the District Horticulture Officer, Southwest Khasi Hills District, yesterday organized a district-level crop competition and horticulture exhibition at the premises of the District Horticulture Office, led Lau Sang, speaking as the chief guest. Mawkyrwat MLA Renington L. Tongkhar emphasized that the district climate is perfect for cultivating high-priced products such as mushroom and kiwi fruit, urging a rise in growers to enhance production for distribution across the state and the country. At the exhibition, a total of 10 stalls were set up by 150 farmers from various parts of the district.
Next today,
Bakalong ka pa pagre ikijigrat nang competition kumner kapang ko bha bagi darat tang handiat pangi ai pha nga dia bha la kalong bang pamela de kalong panlit bang ai banlit di hayo mo kawat kalong ka biang bha bandrat kamtam yang kita organic farming ya kabal dingila panlit ikum kita kalong ka pasutan hado kata-kata ban dingila sisa ban certify ban pen iko chai ba umne ujung thong uba klam ai rawai